fucking truck.
Welcome back to the Ozone, guys. Gonna run through some more shoes. Looking at the box, you know what this one is already. Let's try to get a little bit of tag action. Hope it focuses. Let me give it a shot to focus real quick for you guys. It's another pair of Kyrie 6s in the collection. This is the Kyrie 6TB white and black. It's okay shoe. Just finishing up the Kyrie 6s. I start to grab them down. Start to put them on the video. Oh, Scorpion didn't make it. Sorry, Scorpion. There it goes. Keep going. Now you got the little eye on the back of the shoe. Make sure you guys can see this. There we go. Got a little light on there for you guys. It's a pretty good shoe. Like I said, I enjoy them. Go up. They made this Funko Pop head too big. Alright, let's do another 360. Get him out the way. See Scorpion up there, his head too big. Woo! I like this Kyrie. So just a simple Kyrie. If you like the Kyries but don't like all the color and the rigmarole, made out of the same fabrics as the others. They should have called this one the Milk and Cookies. I don't know what they call it, the white and black. Pretty good shoe. Just looking at it now, I like the texture. Give you guys a little bit of top action so you can see that the little strap has like a paint splatter on there. Alright guys, we're gonna move on to the next shoe. Alright guys, let's continue with the next shoe. Let's get you guys a little bit of box action. Hope this focuses. This is one of the Adidas Superstar Arizona's collaborations. Peek out the box. Pretty good shoe in my opinion. I tried to buy the entire collection. I think they had 4. That's the first one I'm getting to, guys. I'll get this in focus for you guys. See if we can get Scorpion to stand his big head butt up there this time. Alright, shoe, like I said, is Adidas Superstar. It comes with a little lace bag, as you can see. Has a little shoe eyelet that says, "Have a nice day." Adidas, you guys, I'm happy that you're starting to put extra laces, but you could at least put them in the bag. They just throw them in like this. I'm going to tie these up and put them in the bag myself. Let's get on with the shoe. Forget you, Scorpion. You're out of here. Tired of your big head falling down. Pretty good shoe, guys. It's kind of a hard shoe. I bought Adidas for a while, but I don't know that the leather on this one is very hard. The tongue is amazing, though. Of course, you got the translucent bottom. Have a nice day. With the Adidas and the Arizona Iced Tea logo. This side of the shoe have the little wet Adidas logo. I hope you guys can make that out. Do another spin. I'll take out both of these shoes, guys, because they're both different in this pair. So, again, you have the "Have a Nice Day" lace lock. Pink side of the shoe, "Have a Nice Day" logo. The Arizona Iced Tea bird. Lotus blossoms or cherry blossoms. I apologize. All right. Let's get this next one out of there. You guys can see this shoe. I'll stay in camera angle for you guys. Alright, this is the other one that comes in the box. You get a pair of black laces in this shoe. Again, no bag, just thrown into the box, but I'm going to bag them up myself. Side of the shoe, get the I Love Big Cans. Another one of the logos off of the Arizona bottle. Go to the back of the shoe, you have the Arizona branding, this time in blue. Two more logos off of the Arizona bottles, I guess. I'm really just a green tea drinker, and I might have occasionally some sweet tea. Don't know it. Top of the shoe again, you get the little Adidas Melton logo. Show you that they're collabing with Arizona. Turn this over for you guys. You see that bottom, it says Arizona. It's the best part of these shoes. Again, black laces extra, just thrown in. Give it one more spin. It's a good shoe. Let me get closer to the camera for you guys. That's not bad at all. Definitely getting a summertime vibe off of this shoe. Let's bring them both back up there so you guys can get a little look at both of the shoes side by side. I'm trying not to keep that bag in there so it gets messed up. But I don't know what this bag is for, but there's also a pair of pink laces in the inside of the little bag. These are bats to get off. You see a little Adidas tag, but that's it. This is the Adidas Superstar Arizona in the white, CWhite, and CWhite colorway. All right, we're gonna move on to the next shoe, guys. Let's get it rolling. All right, guys, let's get this third sneaker out of the way. Get you a little bit of box action. I hope it focuses. Let's get it in there. Let it focus. By the box, you guys should know what these are already. I just dug through and found my pair. This is the Air Jordan 9 Retro. Black and University Gold. Not one of my favorite shoes. But it's still a Jordan, so. The main problem with this shoe is that they did nothing special for it. No good box. No extra laces. The only thing they did for it was make it shine for some odd reason. Like you got specks of silver on your feet. But I believe this is an everyday wearing Jordy. I believe that the 9s are slept on. A lot of people don't like them. I'm going to get you guys some light on this one because this is a dark shoe. But I hope you guys can see all that sparkling and shimmering. Look like you walked through a stardust shower or something wearing this shoe. But the color does pop. It does pop. I'm not a real big fan of Jordans with the sock in the inside, but this shoe has a little sock in the inside you're supposed to slide your feet into. Let's get this bottom. Nothing spectacular. Maybe that's why people sleep on the Jordan 9s. Like I said, it definitely looks like it's an everyday wearing shoe. The suede is top quality.
I didn't catch that.
I ain't saying nothing to you. That's my assistant over there. Y'all know who she is. This Jordan, like I said, besides the shimmeriness, everything is pretty cool to me. Get you without some light accents so you can see it without the shimmering. 2-3 on the back. Jumpman logo. Gonna number these down at the bottom, guys. Guys, remember to comment, like, subscribe, keep the channel going, keep the channel growing. Let me know what shoes you want to see on here next. We're gonna keep on going through. Have some jewels for you guys. We're gonna try to get our hands on some PEs and things along that way. We're going to definitely try to hit the rest of the Jordans that are coming out, especially anyone that's the UNC Blues. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys stay safe out there and have a nice day. Everybody fucking jump!